Hey everyone, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. Today we're going to make a birdhouse. We're going to be using a coffee can. So let's get started. This is just a used little coffee can, plastic. And I picked up this little front of a birdhouse little board, shaped like a birdhouse, at Walmart. And I think they're around $1. So what I'm going to do is just kind of judge it a little bit as being in the middle from the writing on it. It's a silver Sharpie. They work wonderful when you got black to write on. Now you can cut your hole with an X-Acto knife. You can cut it, make it with a wood burner. You can make it with hot glue gun, with all kind of little knives you can pick up. These are real handy. The blade dulls pretty quick, but you can replace them with they have replacement blades. Okay, I need to make that a little bigger. This is going to be so cute. And it's just, you can just, you know, if you drink coffee, then you already have the coffee cans. Of course, different brands, different type cans. So for just a couple of dollars, you can have you a birdhouse. All right. So supplies I'm going to be using. I used a Sharpie. Got the X-Acto knife. I got some Gorilla Glue because I'm almost out of E6000. Either one will do. I've got 2 popsicle sticks. I've got a holy little dowel. Now I have other dowels, but this one's already flat on each end and it's pre-cut, so I'm just using it. It came out of something else I had bought. I've got 2 floral wires. Sorry about that, y'all. And I've got a chain here. It comes with the 3 chains with a hook from the Dollar Tree. I took one off because I'm only going to use the 2. Some paint of your choice, paint brushes, of course. And so I'm going to use the Gorilla Glue. This is just clear grip adhesive. And I'm going to go around on this top little edge here and put the Gorilla Glue. And it takes 24 to 48 hours to set up. Of course, we're not going to sit here and wait for it. I'm going to put some around this hole. Just kind of so it kind of seals it. Water doesn't just run down in there. Okay. I have me a napkin already cut off here. I tried to be prepared today. Best I could anyway. All right, now I'm going to take some hot glue. I'll make me a little mound of it here. Going around. This is just going to hold it in place until the Gorilla Glue seals. And that way it'll hold still while we decorate it. And it's going to pull it down so that other glue seals around the edge of it. So voila. And all we have to do is take and put it back on there. So I don't want to put holes in the birdhouse itself. So I'm wrapping these floral wires. Y'all forgive me. It's a thinking thing today. I've got blisters in my throat and kind of feel feverish, so I probably have strep. So I haven't felt good, but I wanted to get this little video out to y'all, so forgive me if I'm kind of absent-minded a few times. Let's see, let me get some wire, needle nose wire pliers. And I'm going to mash this down. All right, get this way now. All right, then I'm going to take the other one. I'm going to slide this one against that little hump there. I'm going to take this one and do the same thing. Just tying it back here. Twist it. Wrap it around itself. Okay. So then I'm going to take, twist that one. It looks a little taller than the other one. And so it's got little, like, it looks like little slats. It's not, but it looks like, so it's got little points that comes up to. So to keep them straight, I can use that as a guide. But what I'm going to do to keep it from just moving around and twisting and all, I'm going to put some hot glue all the way around it to hold it in place. And I put it on both sides of that wire there. So I don't know if you can see that or not. Okay, let's let that dry. We do need some scissors. This is not my fabric scissors. And I'm just going to cut the little rounded off part off of these little popsicle sticks. And now they're going to hang longer than this little birdhouse frame, but that's okay. I need to put some down this way. Just gonna slide it up in there just like that. And maybe that'll just keep some raindrops from falling down in there. Is my reasoning for putting the little roof type, the eave on it. It's kind of like the eave of a house, you know. All right, let's put this one on this way. All right. And you can cut them shorter if you want to. I kind of liked them just hanging past the little frame there. Put some glue this away. for the little dowel. I do want to put a little bit of my Gorilla Glue in the center of that. And then just going to put it right there. Now I'm going to take my hot glue and kind of make a little bit of hot glue going around it to kind of hold it in place. And we can paint that hot glue. It ain't no big deal. I would rather see a little mound of glue there than let it fall or not be secure. Now if I wasn't doing this on video, I would just let it dry with the Gorilla Glue and then come back, you know, after at least 24 hours. Then it would be sturdy, but hey, we're doing this quickly. So, now, this part is basically made, okay? And what you can poke holes in this and, you know, tie it up with putting a piece of jute twine or a piece of wire or anything down one side and coming up the other side. But I didn't want holes in it. I didn't want the little birdies getting wet if they were had their house in it. So that's how I was going to hang it. Okay. There we go. Getting twisted around a little bit. There we go. All right, so now all we have to do is paint our front. You can glue this together, or you can leave it, or you can take it off and put it back on. Let's do some pink and blues. How about that? I probably did not need that much paint, but it'll be okay. I'm going to paint our little dowel here. So what have y'all been up to? Have y'all been crafting? Have y'all been making anything fun? These bright colors. push this down. It's got a wet paint all over it. There we go. And go hang our little birdhouse. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little video. So thank y'all for watching. If you would, please hit that thumbs up for me and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'll get to feeling better in a few days hopefully, and have y'all some more videos out. Thank y'all. I love you all. Much prayers and big hugs to each and every one of y'all. I appreciate y'all watching, and y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.